A trail runner just completed the fastest known time from base to summit, back down to base, on the trail, on the mountain, on the Grand Teton. The problem, he cut switchbacks. Also, he had a crew of photographers who didn't have permits. So the fastest known time website denied the record. I think it's legit that they denied it. Everybody else is staying on the switchbacks. So it's actually, he's not really even doing the route. In addition to that, as this sport of fastest known time stuff becomes more popular, it's going to be important that we continue to follow the leave no trace ethics throughout all of our adventures, regardless of what they are.